everybody, and welcome back to another video. So today we're back out at Circuit of the Americas and we're checking out a pretty cool event hosted by the Exotics Network. This is the Giving Grand Prix and they're going to be doing a whole bunch of cool stuff here at COTA. They're going to be checking out T11 and I think they're going to be doing a few parade laps. Today I'm on drone duty, so I'm not really sure how much of footage I'm going to be able to film for you guys, but I'm going to try my absolute best. So be sure that y'all stick around to the end and let's get on to all this craziness. So right now we basically ended up leaving Peppermint Parkway. We followed them with the drone. We went all throughout the bottom of the tunnel. We got all those revs from Peter and AB and all those guys. And then right now we're at T11 Car Condos. They're basically gonna park up here for a bit. There is a whole lot of supercars. I'm not even sure if they're gonna be able to fit them all in here, but they're gonna absolutely try. And then right now we're gonna try to capture a few flames from some cars that are in there. Hopefully we get a few revs, and hopefully this event gets pretty crazy because there is a wide variety of cars that I did not expect to be here, and it's honestly making it a really good event. Alright you guys, so right now we basically have all the supercars pulling into T11. And as y'all can see, we have some flame shooting cars. Golly, dude. guys, so Shion Chandrasoma is here with his gold SVJ. Ooh, that Gintani sauce, brother. Oh my god. Woo, buddy.
Rev it. Come on, bro. Come on, right here.
I love how his license plate said get loud, but he was rolling in electric mode. Jesus Christ, dude. That was loud. Yeah, that 360 screams, dude. Alright guys, so we just got all those sends right there and revs at the end, and right now we're still gonna wait for Peter and Tom to leave the show. Hopefully they give us some good stuff, and hopefully we can actually end up following those guys too.
Go, but my car's not gonna keep up.
Mine doesn't either, just because they wait up. Oh yeah, buddy. Oh yeah. We got the startup of these incredible V12s. Right now we're gonna hear them leave the show, and then we're gonna chase them for a little bit so that we can get a little bit of content for you guys. Listen to these things, because it gets pretty rowdy.
I mean, I've heard them, but I'm not chasing them.
Christ. Golly, listen to this guy.